Hello everyone, here we've got iPhone, and today I would like to show you how to check if your phone is a new one. So at first you need to reach Settings, then go to General and select About. Now take a look at your serial number. The first letter would be the answer. So if it's M, it's a new one. If it's F, as in my case, the phone is refurbished. Then if you note here P, it's personalized, and then N is for a replacement phone. So this is it. This is how you can check if the device is a new one or maybe a refurbished phone. Just remember that if you are buying a new phone, it has to include M at the beginning of the serial number. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.